According to the passage, each of the following is true of the conscience of the author, except we need to find the option which is not true answer with respect to the passage. Patience has to be given birth by being a warrior, having the innate credence sparkled by the universe. So choice A is a true option, and we cannot accept this answer. The courage to exhume or disinter the dream, help the universe to conspire in our favor, to make the obstacles own. So choice B is also a true option with respect to the passage, and we need to eliminate this as well. The dreams of life are being pursued by the curve of psychological affinity oscillated by our surroundings. That is, our dreams are hindered by the affection and love we feel for people around us with respect to certain junctures. So choice C is a true option here and is to be eliminated along with choice A and B. We know the support or reinforcement. Support or reinforcement is going to onward, going on with personal calling and journey by heart simultaneously is given in choice D, and except the journey by whole heart in life, the path of personal calling cannot get palliated or relieved, while choice E gives an opposite overview. So choice D is a true option while choice E is a false option with respect to the message given by the passage. So choice D is to be eliminated and choice E is accepted as a correct answer. So the correct answer is choice E.